Welcome to the Greenville Fire Rescue Department's Physical Abilities Test. Applicants will be required to complete all 8 events in succession. The test begins with Event 1. Event 1. In Event 1, high rise, the applicant will be required to carry a 100-foot section of 1 3/4 fire hose to the 4th floor of the training tower. The applicant may skip steps on the way up, but will be required to use every step on the way down. The applicant will also maintain contact with at least one handrail on the way down. The applicant will not be required to bring the hose back down. Event 2. In Event 2, hose and rope hoist, the applicant will pull a 50-foot section of 2.5-inch fire hose to the 4th floor of the training tower via the attached rope. The applicant may lift the first coupling up and over the hosed hoist if needed. The event will be completed once the applicant has pulled the complete hose assembly inside the 4th floor window. The applicant will manage the last coupling as it passes through the window to prevent potential injury. Event 3. In Event 3, confined space crawl, the applicant will crawl through a 24-inch diameter corrugated tube for 10 feet, make a 90-degree turn, and then crawl the remaining 10 feet to the exit opening. Event 4. In Event 4, ventilation, the applicant will use a Kaiser force machine and will be required to use an 8-pound hammer to move a 160-pound weighted sled along a track a total length of 5 feet. This exercise simulates ventilation with an axe. Event 5. In Event 5, ladder extension, the applicant will extend the fly section of a 35-foot ground ladder by pulling the attached rope. The applicant will not be required to lower the ladder and should hand the rope to the attendant once it has been raised completely. Event 6. In Event 6, ladder carry, the applicant will remove a 14-foot roof ladder from a stationary rack and carry the ladder approximately 50 feet, placing it on the ground. Event 7. In Event 7, hose advance, the applicant will drag 100 feet of 2.5-inch fire hose a distance of 100 feet. Event 8. In Event 8, firefighter citizen assist, the applicant will drag a 165-pound mannequin approximately 75 feet. The applicant may pick up the mannequin by grasping it around its torso and then walk backwards to the finished location. Alternatively, the applicant may use the attached strap to drag the mannequin to the finished location. The applicant will complete the entire physical abilities test at the conclusion of Event 8.